Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Single Silicone Cuff Seal. So this is just a replacement cuff seal. This is a standard size for the sort of SciTech QCS ring system that you see on pretty much any dry suit that has a silicone cuff. So it's in a very sort of handy replacement. What's nice about this is that they sell them individually, so you don't have to buy a pair. So that way you can just sort of store one, and that way if you rip a cuff seal, you can swap it over really quickly and easily. Standard size is made by SciFlex. You've still got that sort of that little notch at the bottom just to hook it in. You've got the ribs around the top so that you can sort of trim it down if you need to. It's silicone, so it's got a decent amount of stretch in it. This is the small size, so this one is quite small. The regular size, the large, is a bit more sort of traditional guys will sort of go for that size. But for women and sort of smaller, like adolescents, if they're getting into their dry suit diving, then small is definitely the way to go. And then as it starts to get a little bit snug as they grow, then you can sort of trim it down if you need to. But realistically with silicone, they've got enough stretch that it's not that bad. And I find that I don't get the same kind of rash that you do with latex. I much prefer silicone seals on my dry suit. So available in black and blue, and yeah, 2 different sizes. This is the Scubapro Single Replacement Silicone Cuff. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.